Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the Anti-Age Serum. So unlike the first serum we talked about, the Daily Repair Serum, which has everything to do with the hydration process, this one is really to help firm and tone the skin and diminish the appearance of fine lines. It has ingredients such as like golden flax, sandalwood, amla, which is they're really rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, very rich and active. So this is actually a really nice product to use. And just like the Daily Repair Serum, you're going to apply a tiny bit. Actually, this one, because it's a little more viscous, you don't need as much. The other one I was using 2 pumps, just 1 pump of that is probably enough. And you apply it same as the Daily Repair Serum everywhere. You can apply it close to the eyes. Actually, you need a little more. If you're going to do your neck, which is a good idea, then you definitely need an extra pump. And this product, actually, you can use it as is. So you can layer it, Daily Repair Serum, Anti-Age Serum, and then your facial moisturizer, facial oil or cream. Or what you could do is you could blend it with the facial oil. So you could put like a couple pumps of this and a couple pump of your facial oil, blend it together. Kind of creates a cream consistency, and then you apply in one step.